CMZ are a European CNC lathe manufacturer. They've got over 80 years of experience in the market. Our impressive headquarters, together with 7 of our dedicated production sites, they're based in northern Spain. Our machining and grinding assembly processes allow us to produce over 80% of our components in-house. Yeah, well, as you can see, we've secured around 4 acres of site for our new tech centre. I won't go into exact figure, but it's a multi-million-pound investment for CMZ. We've been active now in the UK for over 15 years, and this really does strengthen our presence to support both existing and new customers across the country. It shows our long-term commitment to the UK market. Well, the West Midlands is it's a great strategic location with excellent transport links and good access for all customers across the country. Coventry is surrounded by industry leading companies, including the likes of Jaguar Land Rover and the UK Battery Industrialisation Centre, which makes it an ideal location for potential future growth. From here, we'll be able to provide direct support to all our existing customers. Well, our new technology centre will serve as a central hub for all the CMZ UK team, a place for innovation and collaboration. It will include a spacious showroom to showcase the CMZ range of machines, complemented by a designated applications area for consultancy and support, offices to accommodate both our commercial and after-sales support teams, a training conference room, a hospitality area, and maybe more. We will see. Construction will begin in the coming months, with an estimate for completion in around 1 to 2 years' time. I actually can't wait to be able to bring customers. I know it doesn't look like much at the minute, but to be able to showcase and demonstrate the capabilities of our machines right here in the UK.